Yo, I have never seen my car shoot flames, so it's cool that it was doing that. But now I want to show you guys the front splitter that's gone. It actually does not look that bad without it. It's not the entire front splitter. As you can see, this part's still there because this is a 3-piece splitter, so that is still there. That's still there, but the middle part is gone. So, I mean, I don't know. It doesn't look that bad, but I definitely need to replace it. But just look how dirty the Hawk is. Look at that. There's literally snow everywhere. It's literally the Snow Hawk now. So now that it's back, I'm gonna wrap my M3. So the color, I already picked it out. It's gonna be very nice. It's not gonna be as bright and loud as this one, but it's gonna be very nice and classy and mean and aggressive. It's gonna match the vibe that the M3 got. So that's gonna get started on in a few days. And then we're gonna do the custom interior for the Track Hawk. So right now it's black. So it's pretty boring, nothing crazy. So it's just black interior and then the red seat belts. And I'm not gonna tell you guys what I'm gonna do, but this entire interior is gonna be a very bright color. So stay tuned for that. And that's all I got for you guys. I love you guys. And before I let you guys go, I want you guys to let me know what color should I do my interior. Red, blue, orange, pink, I don't know. Let me know, because I technically haven't really picked a color just yet. I have something in mind, but I'd love to get your input. So let me know in the comments below. All right, so it's a couple days later since we destroyed my front lip. And as you can see, it's a 3-piece lip. The middle part is completely gone and really don't know where it is. But luckily, Ninte shop went ahead and sent me yet another front lip. So this is the replacement. I hope I don't break this one. If you guys remember, the front lip that I broke had 3 fins that you could barely see because they were black. So you got 1 here, 2, and 3. And you can barely see them unless you wrap them. And well, I had wrapped them pink and I actually have some leftover pink. So I'm gonna wrap these pink so they could just kind of pop out. So I've been learning how to wrap, and I don't wanna say it's easy. It just takes practice and time. I've also learned how to tint. That to me is a little more challenging than wrapping, like especially doing a windshield, because you have to like shrink it, and like it's a lot more challenging. A lot more things can go wrong with doing a windshield than wrapping a car. Now I would say the hardest part of wrapping a car is the bumpers, or certain like cars, like I would say the quarter panel or like the side of a C8 is just insane. So, you know, with time, I'm just gonna keep getting better. And it's something I wanted to do. Like I said, I wanted to learn how to do every single thing that I offer at my shop. And just like that, the front lip is done. So now they're pink and they're ready to get on the car. We got the screws, we got the this, and then we got the that. So I guess I gotta replace these 2 because there was a piece right here that basically goes onto this that also broke off. So we gotta take this off now. Ow! Okay, here it is, and then over here is kind of where it broke off. Got the 2 pieces of the splitter off. Obviously the 3rd one flew off and I don't know where it is. And then this is the new one. As you can see, it's 3 different pieces. I hit this side with double-sided tape and then hit that one. Then I'm gonna use the alcohol to clean the bottom of the splitter, and then we're gonna install it. And in literally 2 minutes, we got the new splitter installed. Big shout out to Ninte shop for sending me yet another splitter. And here it is. It just looks so good. Mind you, I had this car for 2 years without a front lip, and well, after I got this, I just couldn't live without it. It just looks so good and makes the front end super aggressive. Well, boys, that brings us to the end of today's video. We got the Track Hawk back from the auto show. Big shout out to everyone that went and checked it out and got pictures. I got sent so many pictures and videos. I love all of you guys. I'm glad you guys all like the new wrap. We also did a bunch of donuts, spit flames, had a lot of fun, destroyed the front lip, got a new front lip, and now the Trackhawk is back at home. And well, it's time to let you guys go. I love you guys. Thank you guys for watching. I do apologize for the lack of videos. It is, you know, a lot to handle while also running a shop, you know. So bear with me. If you need any of my services at Elite Auto Lab, whether it's PPF, tint, wrap, detailing, be sure to hit me up. All my social media for my personal social media and my shop is in the description. Follow me on everything to keep up with me. I love you guys. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.